Welcome to Eye in the Sky Drones. We do drone related content, tech content, and video content. Today we'll be looking at the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic 2 Zoom. Both of these drones are close in price point, the Mavic Air 2 being the newest drone that DJI released, and the Mavic 2 Zoom being out for 2 years, but it's still a heavy hitter just below the Mavic 2 Pro. If we look at both of these drones, the size difference, the Mavic Air is a little bit smaller than the Mavic 2 Zoom, but it boasts some great features. 34-minute flight time, 48 megapixel photos, 8K time lapses. And we're going to fold it down so you can look at its size beside the Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Zoom has been on the market for about 2 years, 31-minute flight time, 8-direction omnidirection, omnidirection obstacle avoidance, 48 megapixel super res photos, and it's a good size. But we can look at the two side by side and we can kind of see the size difference. We're going to take a look at some of the video and photos from both of these so you can kind of gauge on which one you like the best and what may be a better purchase for you. The Mavic Air 2 comes in at a lower price point, but the Mavic 2 Zoom, even though it's an older model, it's a great drone. It's been on the market for a little while, but it gets the job done. So let's take a look at some of that footage. And here we have the Mavic Air 2 at 4K 60. And if you look at it, I know 4K 60 is usually, for people who want to shoot very fast moving objects and slow down the video, but this looks great at 4K 60. This is the Mavic Air 2. This is something that the Mavic 2 Zoom cannot do. The highest the Mavic 2 Zoom can do is 4K 30. So this kind of gives the Mavic Air 2 an upper hand when we compare the two. If you look at the video, it's crisp, it's clean. The Mavic Air 2 shooting at 4K 60. It looks great. If you look, we're just circling the tower. Trying to get up. This wasn't slowed down or sped up or anything in post, but we're just trying to get a feel of what your video may look like when shooting with the Mavic Air 2 and 4K 60. As we come around, we see the individual frames. It's just a totally good look. Looks really good, really crisp, really clean. 4K 60 is an excellent thing. I think the last DJI product to shoot in 4K 60 was the Phantom 4, but we do have that on the Mavic Air 2, so we can give that a plus for. And then after this, we're going to look at the footage from the Mavic 2 Zoom shooting at 4K 30, so you can kind of see the difference or see what you like or what you prefer better. And then we'll look at also the Mavic Air 2 and 4K HDR. This was shot with the Mavic 2 Zoom using 4K 30. We tried to shoot the same day, same time, so you can get the same light effects, so everything can be similar with the recording. As you can see, the Mavic 2 Zoom 4K 30 produces a great image. It's sharp, it's clean. It looks really good. After we look at this video of the Mavic 2 Zoom, we'll look at the Mavic Air 2 using 4K 30 HDR, so you can compare the videos and see if you see any similarities or differences. But the image coming out of the Mavic 2 Zoom 4K 30 looks great. It's crisp. Not to say that the Mavic Air 2 is doing bad, because it's doing great, but you can take a look at the videos for yourself and see which one you like better, which one is more crisp, which one you prefer. Now looking at this HDR footage from the Mavic Air 2 4K 30, just take a look at it. See, do you notice any difference between the Mavic 2 Zoom 4K 30 or the Mavic Air 2 4K 60? Personally, I like the HDR effect on the 4K 30. It's great for when you're filming at sunrise or sunset. It's great in other conditions as well, but it produces a really good image. And then of course you're doing HDR, so you're getting really good footage right off the video. None of the videos or photos taken in this video, in this particular video, have been color graded or color edited. And we're just trying to see what stock footage you could get right off the camera of both of these drones. With minimal to no editing, and we did no editing in this at all, so we're just trying to see what the footage looks like, so you can get a kind of better glimpse of which one you would like to purchase, which one would better suit your needs. After this, we're going to look at some of the photos from both of these drones. We're going to do 48 megapixels and single shots, just so you can take a look to see which one you prefer. And then we have a look here at some of the photos that both of these drones produce. Mavic Air 2, 48 megapixels, unedited. Mavic 2 Zoom, 48 megapixels super res photo. And then we have the Mavic Air 2 single shot, single photo from the Mavic Air 2. What do you think? What do you think it looks like? And then we have the Mavic Air 2 coming up, and we have a smart photo. So these are just a glimpse of what they look like. And that's all from Eye in the Sky Drones. As always, be safe and have fun flying.